Hello and welcome to my basic Java tutorial. Today let's learn how to write the switch statement. First of all, switch statement is used when we have multiple conditions or choices and when we might need to perform a different task for each choice. And as you might have already watched my previous videos regarding the if statement, even beginners of Java will be able to build simple programs once they understand the if statement. But what if, for example, you want to do various things depending on the value of the variable? So here's a sample of the if statement. And I'm talking about this part where I highlighted right now. And in this sample of if statement code, what it's doing is it will display the corresponding message when the value of val is 1, 2, or else. For example, if it's else, it will display val is out of range and so forth. However, if val is 4 or 5, or if you want to perform individual processing under more conditions, you will end up with a very redundant source code with endless if-else statement. But with switch statement, you can write a neat programs. Well, in this case, you can use switch statement to write a clean source, so we can start writing it together. Okay, so let's start writing the code. So first, let's write the switch keyword. Switch like this. And set the val, which is this one over here. Next, write the case one like this. And copy and paste this print statement from this val equals 1 into here, and write the break keyword, and next we're going to write the case 2 like this. We can probably just copy and paste it from here like this, and write the break keyword again. Next we want to write the default. Well, this default is equivalent to this else. So we can write like default and copy the print statement from over here like this, and write break. Okay, so in this sample code, it executes the processing of the case label corresponding to the value of the val set in the switch, this part. Then break exits the switch statement. For example, like this val is 1, right? So we're gonna check if this val is equivalent to 1 or 2. If it doesn't match any one of those, it's gonna go here to default and execute this print statement. So if the value of the val does not match any case label, the default label is processed. And I'm talking about this. I've been saying default keyword, but I think it's better to say default label. So you can also arrange multiple case labels in Java switch statement in succession as shown. Well, in the following cases, well, the result will be different depending on whether val is 1 or 2 or not. So anyway, since we've already wrote this code, let's try and run it. Okay, so val is 1. As you can see, this val here is 1. So we can see that it matched with this case 1. So let's try and change this value to something else like 4 and run it. It's taken some time. Okay, so now it says val is out of range. Why? Because 4, in this case, there is no 4, right? It's only 1 or 2. So if it doesn't match either one of those, it's gonna execute the code of block in here. So the main important points that you should remember is that the switch expression is evaluated once, and also that the value of the expression is compared with the values of each case. And another thing is that the break or default, which is about these, keywords are optional. So I think that's about it for now. So thank you for watching my video until the end. So yeah, until next time, bye.